Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in today's session we are going to study about water. What exactly is water? From where do we get it? How do we use it? And what are the different kinds of water? So stay tuned in this session to study everything about water. Now, whenever we talk about water, we know that water cannot be created. We do not create water. Of course, we can make water through chemical processes, but the water that we have is already present on the earth. That means water is given to us by nature. Now, this water is in the forms of rain, in the forms of lakes, rivers, streams, ponds, and one of the most important thing is oceans. That means our entire globe almost is made up of water. About 71% of the entire globe is made up of water. The other 29% is land. Now, out of this 71%, 97% of that 71% is salty water. That means that is the water which is present in the oceans, which is present in the seas, and that water is saline. The other percent, that is other 3% of water, is fresh water. Now, what is the difference between salty water and fresh water? Salty water or saline water are the waters which have various salts dissolved in it, various minerals dissolved in it, and they may have certain impurities in them. The other water, that is the other 3% of the water, is the fresh water. In this fresh water, we do not have anything dissolved in it. The water in the rivers, lakes, ponds, and especially the rainwater is pure and fresh water. Talking about our own cells, our body, around 72% of our entire body is made up of water. Apart from that, the other percentage are our organs, all kinds of minerals, the vitamins, proteins, etc. Water is a very important part of our body. If we do not have food for a certain days, our body will be okay with it. But if we do not have water, our body will get dehydrated very easily. And dehydration is something which leads to illness and sicknesses. It leads to loss of energy very quickly. Not only human body, but also most of the animals and most of the plants need water. If you grow a plant at your house and you do not water it for certain days, the plant will eventually die. Try doing this at your place. Do not put manure to the plant. The plant will still sustain and will stay for some days. But if you stop putting water or if you stop watering the plant will eventually die. That means most of the human beings, living organisms, microbes, even small bacteria and viruses need water to stay alive. Water is a very integral and essential part of the entire living system. Apart from the living system, there are many places where we need water and where living systems are not involved. For example, machines. For each and every machine, water was used as a coolant before. Now we have other types of coolants. For example, we have air conditioners which help in cooling the computer machines, etc. But before that, we used to put water and store the water at certain parts to make sure that the machine used to stay cool. Thus, when we talk about the utility of water is not only reserved for the living system, but also for the manufacturing units and machines. That means water is used by living organisms such as human beings, animals, plants, microbes, insects, everything, as well as it is used for many other manufacturing units, industries, machine works, etc. Now, one of the most important property while utility of water is its purity. When I am drinking water, I need to make sure that the water is pure. And this purity of the water is very important. Generally, rainwater is the purest form of water. But when the clouds pour down the rain comes through many gases. Now, due to pollution, these rain droplets get mixed with various substances and get impure. And this impure water is then stored in our lakes, ponds, or reservoirs. And thus we need to make sure that all these impurities are taken out, and after that, that water is used for us for drinking. So in today's session, we studied about water, what is water, from where do we get it, and why it is so important. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.